back to my channel. My name is Elizabeth here at Lizzie Loves Life, and today I'm going to do another rolling Project 10 pan. This is a project pan where I first started off with 10 items in my collection. I'm trying to use them up. Is the main goal is to use up 10 items within this project for the year. There have been products that I have used up, there are products that I have decluttered after using them, and products I'm still working on. So if you want to know my update, keep watching. So previously we have used up the Stila Shimmer and Glow liquid eyeshadow in Cloud. That was the first thing. Second thing was the Too Faced Better Than Sex waterproof liner. And the third thing was the Mario Badescu glycolic foaming cleanser. So I have used up 2 items since last update. First thing here is an eyeshadow. This is the Stila Kitten single eyeshadow. I have loved this thing so much that I have even now repurchased it and have a full brand new one in my collection. Love this single eyeshadow. It's a perfect all over color. I also used up it was the Maybelline The Falsies waterproof mascara. It was in my last empties video and I did not save it for this update video, but that is 2 more items that I have used up in this project, making it so far 5 items I've used up. 1 item I've decluttered, and we're still working on 8 items, and I'm bringing in 2 more items. Lots of math, I know. So let's get into the rest of the stuff. I am still currently using my Josie Maran, my whipped argan oil body butter. So thick and creamy. I love the scent of this too. Has a citrusy orange scent. Really love it for the summertime. Another item is the Image Vital C Hydrating Eye Recovery Gel. I don't know where I am on this because it is one of those air pumps, but I am still currently using it and really enjoy it as well. The next thing here is the Charlotte Tilbury Beauty Light Wand Easy Highlighter in the shade Pillow Talk. I am using it as a highlighter today. Also like to put it on like my collarbones, especially when I'm going to the pool and stuff. I think I'm pretty much though still at this line right there that I have previously marked. Not a whole lot of progress on this. Definitely need to work on that more. The lipstick, the Milani Secret lipstick, I am still working on it. That is all that I have left. My daughter Madeline also uses this with me. This little line, you can see right there for how much I have left of that. I've really been gravitating towards my liquid lipsticks more just because they are longer lasting. I could wear them to the pool, but when I do want a quick lipstick, I am still reaching for this, and like I said, I let my daughter use it as well. For the NYX Epic Ink Liner, I am still currently using it. It's still pretty black as well, so we'll keep hanging on to that this year. And then Laura Mercier Caviar Stick in Intense Moonlight. This is currently where I'm at on that. I wasn't going to draw it up against the cap because last time I did it, it broke off. Too expensive of a product to do that, so I am not doing that. Just know I am using this especially as a base when I don't use like my Stila liquid eyeshadow. Everyday blush, I'm still reaching for my Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Beautifying Face Palette. This is the progress on that face palette. You can tell almost hitting pan on this blush right here, the soft blush. So still really enjoying that. Starting to get some wear and tear out of the gold, is this called Super Glow highlight. So still working on that. Then my eyeshadow quad I threw in here. This is the Pillow Talk Luxury Palette. Love using the crease all over. I don't really typically use any of the other shades unless I am going like for a date night. Most of the time just using this on my crease with the Laura Mercier Caviar Stick, and then sometimes I top it with this gold shimmer, so you will notice that the pans have expanded, but typically I just use this in the crease, and that is my everyday go-to look. So 2 of the products that I am bringing in for this project. One is a fragrance. This is the Catherine Maladrino Transcendent perfume. So I am somewhere with this white paper. I need to mark it off for you guys, but this is the perfume that I have been reaching for, especially this summertime. And then this might be a gimme, but I found it in my drawers and I need to just use up these packets when I get them. It is from Rusk Pure Mix. This is the Native Fig Replenishing Shampoo and Conditioner. And I have done like a good long bit on my channel, sample Sunday videos, where I did videos every Sunday sharing with you guys samples that I was using up. I do not have that quantity of samples anymore, but I need to make sure to use them even when I have them on an occasional basis. So I'm throwing this in this project just to keep myself accountable and use up these little foil packets. But that is my update for this Rolling Project 10 pan. Let me know, do you guys have products in your collection that you need to use more of, declutter, use up? Let me know in the comments down below, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Bye.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break through